I'm gonna show you how to make an AI cover in less than 2 minutes. Step 1. Choose a song. First you need to choose a song. I choose Double Fantasy by The Weeknd and Future. Okay, now we have a song. Step 2. Download it in MP3. Simply just go to Google and type from YouTube to MP3 converter. And just download it like I did in the background. Step 3. Split vocals and instrumental. Go to this website x-pro and drag your song here, and now just wait. And hey, according to YouTube, it's physically impossible to subscribe to the channel in less than a second. So if you're up to the challenge, let's put 1 second on the clock so you can prove them wrong. Ready? Go! And hey, even if you subscribed after a second, thank you. You can also like this video if you like it. Okay, now download both. Step 4. Convert your vocals. You need to convert your vocals to WAV. You can do it online. Again, type from MP3 to WAV in Google like I did. And don't forget to export it. Step 5. Open the link in the description and do exactly what I'm about to show you. First, log into a Google if you're not already logged in. Click on this folder, now here and here. Now you need to wait a little bit. Nice. Now click on this play button, and for that one you will need to wait longer. And now just do all of this. Step 6. Careful. Now we have to choose a model, a voice. So just copy the model's URL and paste it on model URL. You will find a list of models that are compatible with this AI in the description. Now grab your WAV converted vocals and drop them in the left side like this and wait. Click here and set transpose to 0 and click convert. And this is it. Hope you enjoyed it.